Let us examine another example of data mapping. Online business, where you are hosting a SaaS application and data is coming from different sources. Welcome to my YouTube channel where you regularly see new contents on privacy, and we are going to talk about another data mapping example, taking online business data flow as the primary discussion point today. What happens in an online business? SMEs today are digital first. They have to be. They are using all their applications online. Good. When it comes to a basic general SME, he may not be collecting too much of data, but when it comes to being a SaaS provider, or when it comes to being hosting an application where your customers have direct logins also, then the customer data is not being entered by your team but is coming through a direct login online. Websites, apps, they collect data for many people, right? The cookie form and the other forms that have. Multiple tools are connected behind the scene. There are CRM softwares, there are databases, there are storages. It could be cloud storage if it is hosted online. Third party sharing is unavoidable. So, if you are a SaaS provider or if you are someone doing an online business, a marketplace kind of a thing, then third party sharing of data will happen because you'll contact the product manufacturer, you'll contact the delivery guys, the logistics guys. So these third party sharing items will happen continuously with different kind of vendors. Data spreads faster than even team realizing that data is spreading around. This makes the digital flow very critical for DPDP. We need to understand the flow of the data more clearly in this case. How personal data moves across the tools? Personal data is collected via websites and apps. It's stored on the primary application or the CRM. And the CRM, as I mentioned earlier also, could be hosted internally and accessed on a public network externally with all possible security protocols. And it could be stored on a cloud service provider directly. Payment is handled by payment gateways, which are not internal. They are generally external gateways for any marketplace, for any SaaS provider. Order and usage data are shared with partners. You are a marketplace person. Someone has bought an item, information has to go to the manufacturer or the owner or the one who created that service on the marketplace. There's no option to it, right? So a payment gateway, the actual partner and logistics partner, until as the actual partner is handling, each of them are handling their own logistics, right? Marketing tools are used to analyze this data, and support teams complete the profile because or access the complete profile because they have to provide the implementation and post-sale support services. So this is how it happens. You get data in through the website, put it on a CRM, it could be apps also, put it on the CRM, which stores it at the backend on the storage. And services teams, payment gateways, marketing team, support team, analytics, everyone is accessing this information. So it is important to see how it works with DPDP. The DPDP implication says third party sharing needs to be consciously governed. You need to be very careful while sharing with third parties, not only in terms of data processing agreements, but also in terms of sharing it properly. Consent is often assumed across tools. Assumed. So you need to be very careful. If there are different tools, all tools that are collecting data need to have a privacy notice and a consent mechanism at the time of collection of data. It cannot be assumed, right, that you are coming to my marketplace, so I'll take care. Purpose limitation weakens as the data spreads. So as the data is spreading, the purpose limitation would weaken because no proper purpose defined or consent taken, right? So people might start internally using it the way they want it. Redemption defaults forever, no one to take decision. Ideally now they should develop systems within their CRM which says that at this point we'll remove the PII part or at least sensitive PII part. Backups and exports increase exposure. Yes, they do. And lawful basis decisions purely depend on the visibility of the CRM. So these are the critical DPDP implications. I remember speaking to one of the marketplace CIOs and he said that we don't worry because the payment gateway is external and we don't take data from them. Beware. You are taking my personal information and my sensitive personal information from me with your responsibility, not his responsibility. So you are fully involved and should keep yourself aware with what is happening around. So that's about the example of an online business. I hope you like the content of the video. Please press the bell and the like icon, subscribe to my channel, and share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.